Hi geeks, welcome to College Coders YouTube channel. In this video, I will provide you a free Android project. Without wasting your time, let's get started. I have already imported this project on my Android Studio. So if you want to know how to import and run project in Android Studio, I have already made a video over it. You can watch it from I button or I'll provide you the link in the description box. Now let's start it with the presentation of the app. So I take you to my Android virtual device. This is my Android virtual device. Let's switch it on. So this is our app. Click on it. After that, you can see we have a login page. If we don't have account, we need to click on sign up to register. Click on sign up. Enter your name. After that, enter your email address. After that, enter your password. So I will type 12345678. After that, enter your phone number. I'll type one phone number. Then enter your age, your full address. After that, click on sign up. So I have entered 12345678. That is a weak password. So it's saying password must contain at least 4 characters and at least one special character. So we'll give one strong password, that is xyz@123. After click on sign up. As you can see, registered successfully. Then we need to enter same login details. Then enter a password. So our password was xyz@1234. Click on write and click on login. You can see our login is successful. So there is a patient dashboard where you can create appointment, schedule appointment, and view your profile. You can create appointment. So click on 30th and click OK. Available time. So it's providing a list of the time. So you can click on any time slot. I am selecting this one. I have that meeting location. So it's at clinic or at home. So you can select. After that, doctor specialization. As you can see, the list of specializations. You can select anyone. Then click on request. So as you can see, 31st the today's date. We are providing back date. So it's showing an error. Now we are registering for 2nd Feb. Then click on request. Our appointment is successfully submitted. We can see our appointment through this page. As you can see, these are appointment records. From there, we can click on profile. You can change your number, age. From there, you can change your phone number, address, and change your age. But you cannot change your name and Gmail. It's same. Then click on update profile, change it. Click on view appointment. This is all about this app. If you want to download this app, I'll provide you the Google Drive link in the description box. You can download it from there. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notification.